on the golden rule. The golden rule is a principle that's a universal gauge, and it needs serious consideration from all of us because it encourages us. And when something encourages you, it's worth including it in your life. So, the golden rule says, reflect on your actions. Before acting, consider how your behavior might impact others. What you are doing, what you are choosing to do, how is that contributing to the well-being of others? Well meaning that it's going good, that things are good. So if your actions are not contributing to the well-being of others, the word well-being includes the word we. It's a we word. Well-being is a we word, and we now need to look more and more how we can actually include ourselves into we words such as wellness, because it's illness, it's the I that causes the trouble, and it's the we that brings wellness. So reflect on your actions before acting, before impulsively moving forward. Consider your behavior and how it's going to impact those around you. Whether it's at home, whether it's at the office, whether it's with family, be considerate. Be considerate of others. Put yourself in their situation. Put yourself in their shoes. How are you going to feel when you are being treated in that way? When things are being done to you that you are contemplating doing to someone else? Put yourself in their situation and respect their perspectives and feelings. And mostly, respect their rights for what they are entitled to, such as privacy, such as to be considered, to be respectful, to walk your path with dignity, honor, and respect. And then, of course, act with kindness. You don't need to like somebody to be kind. And life is observing how you are executing your kindness, your consideration, your reflection on your actions. Life is your constant witness. We always have a witness. Always.